Hello islanders and global viewers, so welcome back to my channel. This is quite an impromptu video actually. I just decided to share this one with you. You know, we're always cooking ackee and saltfish because that's a Jamaican way. And last time I cooked ackee and saltfish on my channel, but today I'm cooking ackee with sausage. Why? Because my daughter really does not like saltfish. So I said to myself, maybe I have to consider her, make a little compromise and make some ackee and sausage with just my sweet pepper and scallion and thyme and tomatoes, and that's it. But I just wanted to share that with you. Alright, so while we're at it, I'm going to just do some bammy, some fried bammies with this ackee and the sausage. Yes, you can always soak your bammy in a little water with some salt or with milk or coconut milk. Alright, here's the bammy. Yeah, that had been soaking for about 5 to 7 minutes. I left it in the water soaking just so that it can get moist right throughout. And I've gone ahead and cut them into some triangle shapes. My math teacher would be proud of me right now. Yes, see that? And then the oil over there is really red hot and ready for them. So we're going to get right ahead with that now. Oil is quite hot. You want it to be very hot so that it can just be frying nicely and not sticking to each other or sticking to the pot. Once again, it's a deep fry kind of method. Frying in shallow oil only allows you to soak up all that oil. As I've said time and time before. Alright, we're back here now to check on this bammy. Just see how they're performing. Oh yes, feeling a little crisp. They're coming right along. Seems like these might be ready to leave the pot now. Yes. Now there are some things that when you're frying, you're waiting for it to get golden brown. In the case of bammies, you're not trying to get them golden brown. Just slightly brown, where you see the color changing, like that, not looking as white as before. And you test it with your tongue or your fork or whatever you feel it feeling very crispy, then you can start removing them. So I'm going to be just removing them and placing them on the napkin on this platter. Once again, to absorb any excess oil. That's it. Yes, they're feeling nice and crispy. You don't want them to get overdone either, because they'll start getting hard. Yes, you just want to have them just ready enough, just barely turning brown. Okay, all my bammy slices are fully fried now. I'm just draining on the oil. I'm going to go ahead and just serve up this dish now. Yes, one full meal suddenly. I mentioned that this was quite an impromptu activity, but I think it turned out pretty well. And substituting the sausage for the saltfish, believe me, it doesn't detract from the taste one bit. Still just as flavorful, and the whole family can enjoy it. So it's not just a meal for the adults of the household, but because my daughter, she really loves ackee but doesn't like saltfish, as I mentioned earlier. So instead of having all that saltfish to pick out all the time, this is one other option now. Alright, the meal is ready. Whether breakfast, lunch, or dinner, we can have this any way we like. Well, guys. If you like this video, please remember to give us a thumbs up at the end of it, and share, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button if you haven't already subscribed. Thank you for watching. Until next time, ciao, adios.